So you want to know how to make this kind of videos that this handsome boy makes on Instagram. The first thing, set up your scene. I like to import the car's 3D model first, and I use this add-on. It is called Transportation. It has a lot of high-quality 3D models and HDRIs, and it have an amazing car rig. You can find the link in the description. If you can't get this add-on, there is a free alternative. You can get high-quality 3D models from Sketchfab for free. And for the HDRIs and textures, there is Polyhaven. You can get amazing HDRIs for free. Both links are in the description. Now let's start making our scene. I like to start with a cube. Make it longer and thinner. Then in the edit mode, I will add a loop cut, then extrude it to create this wall. It's a simple shape, but it will do the trick. And for the textures, I use Quixel Bridge with the Unreal license to get all the library of textures in the 3D scans, completely for free. I really like this brick texture, so I will download it and export it directly to Blender. Then I will apply it to the wall and fix the UVs. In the edit mode, I will select the face that I want to fix, and I'll go to the side view, then right-click UV Unwrap, then project from view, and do the same thing for the other wall. Now to fix the texture, go to the shader editor, and make sure you enable Node Wrangler. Then in the shader editor, select the image texture node, and click +Ctrl+T. Then select the mapping node. Hold Alt and right-click and connect the other nodes. Now click Ctrl+A, and search for value node, and connect it to the scale. Now you can control the scale of the texture. And now for the camera movement. Set up your start and end frames. Then go to the graph editor. Leave only the Z and X rotation on. Then press N, and go to modifiers and add noise modifiers to the X rotation. And turn down the strength and increase the scale value. Then do the same for the Z rotation. Now we have nice camera movement. And finally, I will add some photo scans that I can get from Quixel Bridge to add more detail, and I will fix the lighting in Cycles. And it's done. Don't hesitate to ask me anything.